This video demonstrates the installation of Rabbitmq on Ubuntu Linux. Rabbitmq is the most widely deployed open-source message broker. A message broker mediates communication among applications, minimizing the mutual awareness that applications should have of each other in order to be able to exchange messages. Essentially, Rabbitmq accepts and forwards messages just like post office. When you put the mail in a post box, mail person will eventually deliver the mail to your recipient. In this analogy, Rabbitmq is a post box, a post office and a postman. To install Rabbitmq on Ubuntu server system, type apt install Rabbitmq-server. Type Y and press enter to continue installation. The next step is to add a new user named OpenStack with password rabbit_pass. The command is rabbitmqctl space add underscore user space OpenStack space password. You may replace rabbit_pass with a suitable password. Now, a new user named OpenStack has been created. Rabbitmqctl is a command line tool for managing a Rabbitmq server node. Next, we need to provide permissions for OpenStack user. The command is rabbitmqctl space set underscore permissions space OpenStack followed by ********. The first *** is for read permission on Rabbitmq entities, second for write, and third for configuration. Find the answers for the following questions and take down in your course notebook. How do you enable Rabbitmq Web Management Console access in OpenStack? What is AMQP and how does it relate to Rabbitmq? What are producers and consumers in Rabbitmq? List the various uses of Rabbitmq CLI tool.